And as always, a special shout out goes to the volunteers and other organizers who helped to make this event so special. And I do want to point out Dr. Kusendova-Bashta, who's been working very hard at the Canadian Ultrasound Institute, ensuring that we are training the next generation of sonographers in the province of Ontario. I really commend him for his important work, and we will continue working together in cooperation. So tonight, I want to shed light on a group of unsung heroes in our society, our pharmacists. As you all know, pharmacists work behind the scenes, but you play such a pivotal role in our healthcare system, contributing to the well-being and health of our communities in very profound ways. And in the intricate and complicated web of healthcare, pharmacists are the bridge between medical professionals and patients. And beyond merely dispensing pills and medicines, pharmacists serve as educators, providing crucial information about medications, their effects, and potential side effects. And you know, when I speak to my husband and my brothers-in-law, they tell me how much they care about their profession and their patients. When you come see your pharmacist, it's almost like you're coming to see a friend, to seek good advice about your healthcare, about your conditions. And they give you that advice because they are trained and they study for many years. Maybe not as hard as my husband, but they study for many years to be trained. And that's why in the province of Ontario, we have recognized the important role that pharmacists play. And that is why we have recently announced that pharmacists will be able to prescribe and treat some common ailments. So we have expanded the scope of practice for our pharmacists, and I think that will help to build capacity within our healthcare system. So just by a show of hands, how many of you are pharmacists in this room? Big round of applause. And how many of you were aware that our government has expanded that scope of practice for pharmacists? Excellent. So we want to offer choice and convenience for our patients. And the addition of these 19 minor ailments afford pharmacists the opportunity to expand the in-pharmacy services by using their experience and scope, helping to provide healthcare quickly, while giving them the tools and resources to provide the best patient care option possible. And you know, I just want to mention that I'm so proud to be a member of the government, of that Ford government. And you know, this is a government that's building all of Ontario. Not only are we building capacity within our healthcare system, we have added 3,100 more acute care beds, which is the equivalent of 7 community hospitals in Ontario. We are also building highways, we're building schools. In almost every community, we are building and expanding infrastructure. Today, I was in Sudbury. I did a tour of some long-term care facilities because this is my new role as the parliamentary assistant to the Minister of Long-Term Care. And even in Sudbury, we are building a new long-term care facility. We're expanding the local hospital, and of course, pharmacists play crucial roles even within our hospitals as they treat our patients with medication reconciliation, dispensing, etc. So today, I just really want to congratulate each and every one of you in this room. You have so much to be proud of. Your contributions are extremely important. And just one last word about the Pakistani community. You know, you're one of the most vibrant communities here in the province of Ontario. You are what make our province great. Especially in the city of Mississauga. Since I became elected 6 years ago, I was fortunate to be invited to so many of your homes, to your gatherings, and I've been learning about the Pakistani community. So I'm very proud to be able to represent you at Queen's Park, and thank you so much for inviting me today. Congratulations on this wonderful event. So sorry, I gone above and beyond to ensure Ontarians receive the medicines that they need to home in a timely manner. Now more than ever, patients are turning to their pharmacists for advice and expertise. Many thanks to the Canadian Association of Pakistani Pharmacists for putting together this event. I want you to know that our government is making smart investments to ensure our healthcare system meets the needs of growing communities and delivers the high-quality, patient-centered care that Ontarians deserve. Have a wonderful gala. Signed, Doug Ford, Premier of Ontario.
Yeah, come forward, please. Yeah, good. That's good.
We also have a small token of appreciation from